Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Wiggins Hair. They did send me this closure wig and I'll be installing it with y'all. Show y'all how I got this very easy beginner friendly look, y'all. When I 10 out of 10 in my book, this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. Not only that, it is definitely on the go, y'all. So let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy.
That's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again.
You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Back more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right amount of love, play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, feel that you do know. But never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life, you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this, I want this to work out so bad. But I feel it in my chest and I want it, I want it, yeah. We'll never fall out of love with you. Choo.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that shit meant a lot.
So guys, this is the completed look. When I say 10 out of 10, this wig is definitely a 10 out of 10. As y'all seen, everything that I did to install it, it came pre-curled, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-plucked, literally everything. When I say this is the #1 beginner-friendly wig, y'all, it speaks for itself. Like, what lace? Honestly, truthfully, everything about Wiggins Hair will be in the description box. Literally everything that you need to know. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We are at 54K, y'all. We're on the road to 100K. I know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video. Also, definitely go check out Wiggins Hair. The exact link to this wig will be below as well. Definitely let them know that I did see you.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3-4 times again.